Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasir Sikandar in front of you, Director of Physical Education, Government Degree College, Qazi Ahmad, District Sheikh Benadirabad. Today I am going to present my lecture on the topic Benefits of Physical Education. Information regarding physical education. The quality physical education programs are needed to increase the physical competence, the health related fitness, self-responsibility and enjoyment of physical activity for all students. Physical education programs can only provide these benefits if they are well planned and well implemented. An improved physical fitness improves children muscular strength. Physical fitness also improves the flexibility among students, and physical fitness also increase the muscular endurance. Physical fitness also improves the body composition among all ages of men or women. It also increases the cardiovascular endurance. The skill development program also is a part of physical education program. It also correlates with our physical activity as well as physical fitness level. The skill development programs develops the motor skills among the students as well as elders would possess all kinds of responsibilities. Either they are performing in different sorts of activities, either they are working at their offices, either they are working at their playgrounds, either they are working in any sort of activity regarding their career. It develops motor skills which allow for safe, successful, and satisfying participation in physical activities. Regular physical activity is a part of physical education. The regular physical activity provides a wide range of developmentally appropriate activities for all ages of children. Regular playing sports of all kinds can expose to the players or athletes personal competency of involving in activities. Physical activities on regular basis enhance internal capabilities and capacities to do every task quite comfortably. Regular physical activity also builds the self-confidence of an individual, sportsman or athlete. Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasir Sikandar in front of you, Director of Physical Education, Government Degree College, Qazi Ahmad, District Sheikh Benadirabad. Physical education also supports other subjects. In short, I can say myself that physical education is the main subject which possess all other subject criteria such as mathematics, sociology, statistics, anatomy, physiology, etc. Simply, physical education also supports other subjects and their characteristics as further below. It emphasizes acquaintances learned across the curriculum. Physical education serves lab for application of content in social sciences, which includes the subject mathematics for making formulas, for making track and field events areas. Physical education also related our sociological norms that how sociology teach us regarding society and their atmosphere and atmospheric conditions regarding events. The statistics tell us how to make graphs for proper scoring aspects of the event. If we are talking about anatomy as concerned, the anatomy states internal structure of the human body. Now we are talking about the physiology. The physiology also concerned with the physical education. Then the physiology teaches us the function of the human body. And finally, I can say physical education keeps your brain fresh all the time. As far as our academic performances are concerned, our academic performances are always directed in relation with our physical activity. The physical activity also affects our academic performance as well. It makes us, physical activity makes us active, energetic and confident all the time in every part of our running life, and also gives us an energy to present, to participate in every sort of activity, every sort of event, either the event are organized at our home, either those events organized at our school level, or either any task or any activity which are assigned to us at our office work, or I can say myself that any activity which is performed as a playground. All these activities directly focusing our academic performance, which is that which is I can say myself makes us our academic performance very well while doing any sort of physical activity. If we are in relation with physical activities, we always leads towards success in our whole life. As far as our studies are concerned, the physical education also relate to our mental health. When we are talking about our mental health, obviously physical activity sets the stage for a good night's sleep, while obesity caused in part by inactivity is linked to sleep apnea. Sleep deprivation negatively affects the body immune function, aids in memory consolidation, and may cause irritability and impatience. Regular physical activity, in addition to adequate sleep, provide more energy to participate in hobbies and interact with others. Physical education and self-discipline. Physical education facilitates development of students' responsibility for their proper health and fitness. Physical education and physical activity keeps children away from being laziness. Physical education program itself well-disciplined program which teaches us how to become ready to make discipline. It also increases stamina and power of resistance to tackle all the events. Education improved judgment. The quality physical education can influence moral development. The students have the opportunity to assume leadership and cooperate with others in completing tasks. There are so many tasks which are assigned in the field of physical education, in which communication skills developed among players which are ready to fight, ready to participate, and ready to represent their colleges, their districts, their regions. Physical education improved their judgment criteria which possess only with physical educationists who give the proper information, proper assignment, clearance to their students with their utmost efficiencies and skills. The physical education and the concerned physical activity also reduce the stress of the players. In this topic, stress reduction, physical activity becomes an outlet for releasing the tension and anxiety from the athletes and from the players when they are performing in the play of field or any activity or any event which is task oriented. Physical activity programs release the stress of those athletes who are ready to participate at any event of field. It also facilitates emotional stability and resilience among the players. It also reduces the risk of the tension, anxiety, depression, etc. Physical education program strengthen peer relationships. Physical education can be a major force in helping children socialize with others successfully and provides opportunity to learn positive people skills. Physical education, especially during late childhood and adolescence, being able to participate in dances, games, and sports is an important part of peer culture. Physical education helps others fit and become accepted by their peers. Physical education improves self-confidence and self-esteem. Physical education instills a stronger sense of self-worth in children based on their mastery of skills and concepts in physical activity. They can become more confident, assertive, independent, and self-controlled. Physical education and physical activity always build athletes' self-confidence, their mental health, and also the peer relationship among every player. If we are talking about family terms, every person is in proper peer relationship if he or she fully involved performing physical activity on daily basis. Physical education and physical activity also experience while setting any kind of goal. Physical education gives children the opportunity to set and strive for personal and achievable goals. Physical education also gives children to achieve bigger and better goals. Physical education and physical activities also give satisfaction one receives from accomplishing a goal which is remarkable. Regular physical activity makes our bones stronger and larger. Regular physical activity increases the bone density to create a steady skeleton. The regular exercises makes our bones healthy and less breakable. Please take your diet properly to avoid from weakness in older age. Physical education and physical activity reduce heart disease. Physical education can counteract major risk factors of coronary heart disease like obesity, inactivity, high blood pressure. These three diseases directly causes the problem of heart diseases. Obesity is a major disease which gives the fatness to our body muscles, and that fatness causes the disease of heart, and also give inactiveness to our body muscles to perform any activity. It also affects to increase in high blood pressure, and also high blood pressure causes the heart diseases. But physical education and physical activities, if one can perform physical activity on daily basis, she never be a patient of cardiovascular disease. Now I am going to conclude my lecture on benefits of physical education. Now I am going to summarize myself: physical education and physical activity. Physical education is the end increases physical health, mental health, academic performances of the athletes, the social skills of the athletes, and motor development of the athlete. Physical education is very much important subject. It must be included in a syllabus as a optional subject. Thank you.